Good Morning Kampot Hotel review, Cambodia. Where rooms start at just $10 a night. Let's go inside and check it out. One of the first things you guys will notice when you come in here is the nice little sitting area. And granted, it is rainy season right now, but during the non-rainy season, or even during the rainy season, a great place to catch an afternoon coffee or tea. And I can tell you guys, I've stayed here a lot of times. These are good friends of mine, and they've got a full menu for Western as well as Khmer. And look at the great wine selection. Come on, you can't beat that. They specialize in Western, guys. Most of the menu items, this is the dining area here, are about $3 or under. They've got some really good morning coffee as well. And don't forget, Wi-Fi is free, so whenever you guys come to stay here, you guys can be a digital nomad and work on that laptop. Check out this nice bar area. Like I said, a full kitchen, huge menu, extensive. And look at that view of the river across the way. Let's go upstairs and check out some rooms real quick. This is where you'll check in right here, okay? They give you a room key, friendly staff, very knowledgeable, good English speakers. And let's go upstairs. There's no elevator, so you have to walk. Don't forget, take off your shoes, as is customary here in Cambodia. And let's walk upstairs and check out the first room. Is going to be room 104. All the rooms are air conditioned. This is your $10 room right here, starting price. Very clean smelling. It's got a nice little mini fridge, whether you're staying here for a week or you're staying here for a month, which, believe it or not, some people do. Nice full bathroom here, and as well as the hot water, which is always appreciated. Like I said, it's very basic, but well worth the money. All right, let's check out another room here with a balcony, and it's room 201. You can request it, and it's got 2 beds with a beautiful view of the river. Wow. And like I said, they all have air conditioning and a fan, so up to you whether you like. Love the balcony. And granted, I said it's rainy season, so the cushions are out of the chair right now, but this is a great place to get your morning coffee and enjoy Boker Mountain in the background. How beautiful is that? Very clean smelling room, very comfy. Like I said, I've stayed at this hotel, guys, many times in my last few years here in Cambodia, and I love this place. It's very popular with the Westerners. All right, let's go check out one more room. All right, this is gonna be room 307. And again, this has a nice city view out the back window. Very basic room again, smells beautiful inside. I love the added touch. And nice little artwork on the wall. Nice little desk for those of you that have the simple life in mind. Of course, the beautiful aircon that works very nice. And once again, you've got basic shower with hot water available. All right, when you guys are down here in Kampot, staying in this hotel, this is my good friend Lavi. He's my personal driver when I come to Kampot with no motorbike. I'll leave his telegram down below for you guys. He speaks English. Say hello, Lavi.
Hello.
Yeah. When you guys are here, you stay at this hotel, or if you just need to ride around, this is the guy to talk to. Tell him Mahoney Travels sent you. You won't be disappointed. He takes me everywhere. Believe me, no place is too far for this guy. He's good, and he's safe, most importantly. Stay tuned to the end of the video for the good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, one of the greatest things I love about staying here, it is literally centrally located. This is the river, okay? And this is like literally the main drag here along the river in the town. You can't walk anywhere within 5 minutes and having 100 restaurants. But let's walk here in the corner real quick just to show you guys how close some of the best street food in town is. Let's go check it out. Those of you that follow me on my TikTok and my Facebook, you guys know Mahoney Travels loves street food. I've been to this place a few times here. If you guys are looking for some fruit with some spicy street corn, they've got it all. Some of the best chicken, barbecue chicken in town is right up here. Right down the road, guys, from the hotel is this best barbecue chicken in town right here. Hello, and how are you? Yeah, I'm making YouTube for you guys. Right here, guys, literally you can't miss it. The Starbucks is right there. So good barbecue chicken is my favorite place to go when I'm in Kampot. And of course, the beach is right down there. Let's go back the other way and see what else we got to look at just within like literally walking distance from this hotel. Nice little pub on the corner here, full bar, cocktails and beer. Again, right here, there's Starbucks, and across the river, there's some really great street food. All right, for those of you that are tourists, here's your Starbucks. For the rest of us that aren't tourists, or if you just don't like Starbucks, literally down this street here, guys, we've got Tube Coffee and some of the best cheeseburgers in town right here. Those of you, again, that follow me on Mahoney Travels Facebook and TikTok, you can see my plugs I did on this place. Really good place here. Laundry Cafe and Burger Bar. Very American, very delicious. Look at those burgers. Now, this is what you would consider like your kind of like Sock Sand Road of Siem Reap. Not to mention there's a lot of bars here, but there's also some really good restaurants. On this street here alone, there's probably 20 different restaurants from everything and anything you could want. Next block over, you've got some really decent Mexican food and $1.50 margaritas. We've got the Matty Bar right here. It's closed right now, but at nighttime, this place is hopping. I mean, hopping. Hundreds, if not even thousands of people there. Live music and very Western crowd. A lot of Western music. Take you back to the 80s and a lot of the disco era music, but a very, very fun night indeed. All right, we got a 3-minute walk here, guys, and now we're at this nice little market. They've got nice little sandwiches. They've got cheeses, all your basics for whatever you need or might have forgotten on your holiday. And of course, we've got Old Market Sky Bar here, which is a really happening place. If you've been to Siem Reap and you know the Temple Group, then you know that's a good time in this place here. Let's walk over to the next street here. This is literally, I haven't even walked 5 minutes yet, all right? Let's go over next street here and check out what else is right within reach of your stay at Good Morning Kampot. Here's some really good Mexican food right here for you guys. And Pot and Pan, definitely want to check that place out. Food Pan is very busy there. Very popular with the Westerners, whether you want to stay in if it's raining or you want to get good out and about and go eat in person. This street gets hopping about sundown on both of these streets. These are the two main streets here. There's also about 4 different banks if you need to pull money out. The good, the bad, and for what it's worth. All right, there's a lot of good here, guys. As you guys can see, prices starting at just $10 a night. Rainy season right now, of course, but your prices won't fluctuate much. Even during the dry season, you might pay $15 to $20 a night, on up about $5 if you have double occupancy. Why I chose this place was because I've developed a good friendship with the owners here. They're really good people, and they speak very good English. As an American, I have high standards for customer service, and they certainly meet that threshold. I've also found a really good driver when I'm in town, and he's a very safe driver, Lavi. I will leave his telegram down below. Another thing I really love about this place that's good is that they have location, location, location. As you guys can see, I'm right here on the river across the street. It is right there. There's also a pharmacy right next door, so whatever you need from the pharmacy, they also have. And right over there is a bunch of street food this way and a ton of Western restaurants. This is a very expat-friendly town. And as you get here, you'll see there's a lot of Westerners from America and the UK everywhere, mostly retirees though. But it's also a very big backpacker town. It's very quiet, very small, cozy little town with Boker Mountain in the background. You can't get better than this. The ocean is literally a 15-minute ride away. And in November, the ferry port, brand new international ferry port, will open back again. And there'll be a 2-hour high-speed ferry ride to Koh Rong. I mean, come on, you can't beat that. And it ranges about $20 per trip. And while you're at it, if you're gonna book the ferry tickets, you can actually book all of the ferry tickets and your bus tickets right here because they are official ticket agency to book and receive all tickets in Cambodia. So if you guys take a bus from Siem Reap, you guys can actually get dropped off and picked up from this hotel. Like I said, it's a win-win situation. You can go anywhere in Cambodia right here, and because they're so centrally located, you can walk everywhere unless you need to go to Boker Mountain, or if you got time, you want to go places. The best part is, like I said, you can book and receive all of your tickets right here and pay. It's the same price as you'll pay booking direct with Victor Brand or Larita or any of the other bus companies. For you bookworms out there, they have a large selection of Western books as well, old novels and new, that you guys can read in your spare time. It's, like I said, it's a great place to sit outside and kind of see people pass by and just kind of enjoy this beautiful river. And on a sunny day, it's a great place. And don't forget, who doesn't love a draft beer special on happy hour? 75-cent draft beers all night long. The good is also, I'm getting rained on by the way, is they have a huge food menu. Most things are $3 or less. You cannot beat that, from cheeseburgers, french fries, to all your Western favorites. And not to mention excellent coffee in the morning, Americana, iced coffee, you name it. The only bad I would point out, for those of you that are dead set on a pool, they do not have a pool, but you've got this beautiful river, and of course the ocean's not too far away. For what it's worth, they offer excellent value. Like I said, location is everything. Everything's walkable distance, and if you need a ride around town, Lavi's got you. There's also motorbike rental for those of you guys that are brave enough to brave the streets here in Cambodia. Right around the corner, multiple choices, about 10 bucks a day I think is what they charge. Prices are dirt cheap here in Kampot. You guys won't be disappointed, but I'm getting soaked. Until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. I'll see you guys in Cambodia. Oh my God.